That people definitely, the issue with YouTube though for people is like they don't want to sit there on camera, and like it's a lot of mental work long term. Like you can make a one video, but then like long term consistently showing up, there's a lot of effort that goes into it. And like people nowadays, they're getting used to TikTok where it's like a quick 60 seconds, and some people put a lot of time into those, but some don't, and that's why they love it. The issue of TikTok is it's harder to, at least what I've seen, you can make money off of it, but it's harder to cross over into other platforms with TikTok.
Yeah.
I found it easier with YouTube to cross over platforms. I don't know why. I think it's because with YouTube you build it's like with YouTube it's like instead of like wide, it's like deep relationship.
Yes.
And because they're a deep relationship, they get to know you, they really like you, they're watching. No one watches 20 minutes of you unless they kind of like you. And if that's the case, then when you say, hey, can you message me on Instagram? Hey, let's talk on Instagram. They're like, okay, cool. Like, it makes sense. I already know you. I like you. Might as well get to know you on Instagram as well. And then they move way easier. TikTok, I know you for 60 seconds. Just because you have 5 million views on a 60-second reel or a TikTok doesn't mean that they totally love you. They watch 60 seconds of you. So do they like you on 20 minutes? Because I've seen that usually people who are very famous for the 60 seconds and then they try to move to YouTube and do 20 minutes, they cannot transfer it over because they're not cool on 20 minutes, you know?
It's hard, man.